So over here you can see that I have an image, and what I can do right here is, let's say for example, click right here to go ahead and zoom in as well. Right here you can see the zoom level just like this around over here, as you can see, and you can also go ahead and, let's say for example, choose the zoom level from the left hand side, as you can see right here. So you can go around onto the navigator right here just like this and choose the zoom level as needed. Let me just go around onto 100% and you can see that this is what you have. But if I were to actually go ahead and then zoom in, you can see a bit of noise right here just like this. So whenever you shoot photos, noise like this are actually quite common. So in order to remove such noise, you can actually go around onto detail right here just like this, and then here you can see that these are the options you have for denoising. So these are the noise reduction panel right here, so you can go ahead and change around the sharpness level, as you can see, and you can see the noise right here just like this. But if you want to denoise it, then you can see that there is some noise right here. You can utilize the luminance noise right here to actually smoothen it out. So you can see that this is what you have. You can see the before and after. I'm pressing slash on my keyboard and you can see that that is what you have. It's smoothing things out. You also see some color noises right here, and if you want to remove it, you can increase out the color noise and then it is what you have. If you decrease it right here just like this, you see some color patches over here on the side right here just like this. But as I increase the color noise, you can see that it's smoothing things out right here. You can get back the details right here in the color and change around the smoothness as well, and even change around the contrast as you want right here to get back some of those details, and change around the detail level right here just like this as well. So overall you can see that this is what you have. This is what you have right here, and then you can see that there's a bit of a smoothness going on. So you can see that this is the before right here with a bit of noise, as you can see, and this is the after, and that is how you can utilize this particular details panel right here in order to reduce noise as needed. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.